Welcome to Leiths. I'm Camilla Schneiderman, the Managing Director here, and a Leiths diploma graduate myself. Leiths School was founded in 1975 by Prue Leith and Caroline Waldegrave. The vision then was really straightforward. It was all about techniques, flavour and ingredients, the foundations of a classical culinary training and the bedrock of a career in food. Today, we are custodians of that vision, but we're also constantly changing and evolving to teach the modern, cutting-edge food trends and flavours that students want to learn to cook today. Our teachers are constantly feeding back into the courses, drawing inspiration from their professional experience and immersion in food to ensure the curriculum evolves in pace with changing tastes. We ensure our graduates go out into the food world equipped with all the tools they need to become the talent of tomorrow. And we're very proud of our alumni, with so many highly respected former students taking up prominent roles from restaurant chefs to product startups, cookery book writers, journalists and food stylists, to development chefs and entrepreneurs. Leiths graduates really do lead and shape the food world. Leiths is known for being the school where everyone, from school leavers to career changers, will feel at home. And through our dedicated staff, we create an inclusive, positive learning environment. Students on our professional courses work hard, but are always supported by an individual class tutor and benefit from our small class sizes. This mix of supportive and driven teaching, pushing you to be your best, allows students to flourish and discover their unique culinary potential. Along with some of our teachers, I'm now going to show you around, so you can see the facilities and get a flavour for life at Leiths. Leiths is located in leafy West London. It's a calm and quiet area and very well connected with trains, tubes and buses to get to and from the school. Inside the school, the demonstration room is on the ground floor, along with the stores, where our excellent ingredients come in daily. We know that to cook delicious food, you not only need the best skills, but also the best ingredients. The professional kitchens are spread across the first floor, along with the student dining room. Up another level is the library, where you can access over 300 cookery books to find inspiration for the creative cooking tasks you'll do throughout your time at Leiths. The diploma comprises 3 terms: the Foundation, Intermediate and Advanced, each of which is 11 weeks, including assessments. As well as achieving the Leiths Diploma in Food and Wine, students are simultaneously assessed for a Level 4 Diploma in Culinary Arts, externally accredited by the Confederation of Tourism and Hospitality. You'll also take all relevant courses to prepare you for industry: your Level 2 Food Hygiene, COSH, Health and Safety, Allergen Awareness and First Aid. And of course you will cover the wine element. Even confident cooks will usually take all 3 terms of the diploma because the course is designed to create a solid foundation of skills from which you can build a career in food. However, some students with previous cooking experience are proficient in the foundation skills and are therefore eligible to join the course for the intermediate and advanced terms only. We call this the 2-term diploma. Sometimes students even transition from one of our part-time professional courses, such as the Essential Certificate, onto the 2-term diploma. But in each case, we can discuss all the options with you to create a learning path that works for you and your goals.
I'm Michael Kropp, Head Teacher here at Leith School of Food and Wine. Leiths teachers are as passionate about teaching as they are cooking. They are all qualified chefs and have worked in professional kitchens across the food industry, so they can pass on to you their experience firsthand. Our teachers are a close-knit team. We meet every morning to run through the day's recipes and techniques in detail to ensure all students are achieving the same high standards of learning. We have a high ratio of teachers to students, with 1 teacher to every 8 students typically, and an overall class size of up to 16. All students are assigned a tutor who is your mentor and will be focused on your progress. When we're in the kitchens, we work on a theory of repetition, so each skill you learn will be repeated via a series of different recipes that you will cook throughout the course to build fluency. While we encourage teamwork and collaboration on the course, it is vital that each student perfects every skill. Therefore, for the most part, students cook individually at their station, sharing an oven between two. Learning proper techniques with basic equipment is fundamental. We ensure Leiths graduates can produce fantastic food without the need for power-driven kit. But of course, as you progress, you are going to be learning how to use kit found in professional kitchens, such as sous vide, Thermomix, ice cream machines and more. You will also learn how to write a daily time plan menus and carry out costing exercises. And of course, at the end of each cooking session, the teachers taste and mark your food and give feedback for your improvement.
At Leiths, there is more than learning how to cook. A vital part of your journey is finding your career path, and we help you with this as well as getting you established. This support comes in the form of Leiths List, our chef and cooks agency. With your interests as our guide, we work with you to secure work experience during your time with us and to get a taste for the different careers within food. Our contacts are all first-hand and span all areas of the industry, from restaurants and catering to media, journalism, food retailers, styling, chef development, new product development, and much more. We also hold a Careers Day open to all our professional students, where you can meet potential employers and selected alumni face-to-face and start making those valuable contacts in the food world. During the advanced term, you will benefit from a day with a food business consultant, learning how to put a business plan together and how to pitch your idea. Once graduates leave Leiths, we stay in contact with our past students, opening up further career opportunities for both graduates and students, as well as PR and marketing opportunities.
Hello, I'm Hannah McLennan, one of the 2 head teachers at Leiths. On your diploma, your time is usually divided between demonstrations and practical cooking. One half of the year group will be watching a demonstration in the morning, while the other half cook, and in the afternoon you'll swap. If you're cooking in the morning, you'll change into your chef's whites first and get straight into the kitchens. Every cooking session starts with a thorough run-through, usually led by your class tutor, laying out the objectives for the day. You will have seen the skills already in a recent demonstration, so this really helps to reinforce your learning. It's essential to understand the techniques and science behind what you're cooking before the practical session, as this is fundamental to becoming an expert. Each cooking session will involve a range of recipes, incorporating the skills you've been shown, and you can expect to be in the kitchens for around 3 hours. Learning to move efficiently around the kitchen and to clear up after yourselves is all part of the process of becoming independent and efficient. And of course, at the end of each cooking session, you will take away your creations to enjoy. The demonstrations at Leiths are lively, with plenty of time to ask questions, and of course students taste absolutely everything. The room has 2 cameras, so everyone can really get up close and see the action. Each term we curate a varied lineup of guest demonstrators exclusively for our diploma students from across the food sector. These include restaurant chefs, artisan food producers, caterers, butchers, wineries and food entrepreneurs, who not only share their dishes but their inspiration, their learnings and advice. These include chefs such as Yotam Ottolenghi, Ben Tish, Atul Kochhar, Jeremy Lee, Michael Lavery, Olia Hercules, Robin Gill and restaurants like Honey & Co, Fallow, Spring, Cricket and many more.
Here at Leith, all students seek the internationally recognized wine certification WCT Level 1 in the foundation term and Level 2 in the intermediate term. I am Leith's Head of Wine and I curate and teach the wine course at Leith, but will also be taught by a range of experts covering production, tasting and of course food and wine matching. This learning is reinforced by trips to wineries and renowned guest wine lecturers, many of whom are curating wine lists across the food sector.
Hello, I'm Ben Blackburn and I'm one of the senior teachers here at Leiths. The students at Leiths are from many different ages, backgrounds and stages of life. The school is known for having a wide and varied student base. Some students come straight from school or university, whilst others are career changers from a wide variety of different industries, from marketing to law, finance and medicine, music and media, all with different culinary aspirations. For these reasons, there is no typical Leiths student profile, but our students all share a love of cooking and are keen to make this passion their future profession.
I hope this tour has given you some insight into studying with us at Leiths. If you'd like to take the next step, you can arrange a one-to-one chat with us to discuss how a professional course at Leiths can help you to achieve your goals. We hope to see you at Leiths soon.